Alright, hi everyone. I purchased the Tounee Laptop Stand. Wanted to be able to either sit or stand with the laptop stand, and going to do a quick unboxing video. As you can see on the back, it's got a little bit of information on how to adjust. Also has warranty on here. So let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, looks like it's got a good covering over it. There's a little heat vent. And immediate first impressions, this is built very sturdy. I can definitely feel a very good amount of weight. I'm gonna swap over to a side angle so you can get a better view of this. Okay, so you can see right now I have my 13-inch MacBook on it, which is obviously no problem at all. We can clearly, you can see here, you can lift it up, and it does take a little bit of effort, which I think is really nice. It shows like how strong it is. See, I can put my laptop on there, no problem. You know, type with no problem. You can see here, there's a little adjustable button to raise or lower it if I were wanting to be a little bit taller. And then lower it like so. All right, so obviously my laptop's pretty small, so I just wanted to do a little weight test just to see how much it could actually hold. So right here, I've got a 10-pound weight. So 10 pounds, absolutely no problem. I don't know who's got a laptop that weighs more than 10 pounds, but here's 20 pounds. Again, no problem. Got a little 3 pounds, so it does say it goes up to 22, so here's a 3 pound. Should start dropping. Seems okay with 23 pounds. On this side, yeah, I'll start falling. But it does say it holds up to 22. I don't know who has a laptop that weighs more than 20 pounds, but definitely does hold the weight that it says it does. It had a little Allen key, a little Allen wrench that comes with it. You can use that to unscrew these pieces. You can unscrew these pieces down here and down here. And then again, nice little touch that it can adjust to be at a good standing distance. So I am 5'8". This would be a perfect size for me. Overall, really impressed with this product. Holds very well, very sturdy, and does exactly what I need it for. So good job, Tounee.